Working on a microbial case study investigation can be a challenging task, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and informative experience. Here are some tips on how to effectively work on a microbial case study investigation. Firstly, it is essential to understand the case study thoroughly. Read the case study carefully and make sure you understand the problem or question being addressed. Once you understand the case study, develop a plan for investigating the problem or question. Consider the methods and techniques you will use to collect and analyze data, as well as the resources you will need. Collect data from various sources, such as scientific literature, databases, and laboratory experiments. Ensure that the data you collect is relevant to the problem or question being investigated. Once you have collected the data, analyze it to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. Use statistical tools and software to help you analyze the data effectively. Based on the data analysis, draw conclusions about the problem or question being investigated. Make sure your conclusions are supported by the data and are consistent with the scientific literature. Finally, communicate your findings in a clear and concise manner. Use charts, graphs, and other visual aids to help convey your message effectively. Be prepared to answer questions and defend your findings. If you are working on a group project, it is also important to work collaboratively with your team members. Effective communication and teamwork can help ensure that the investigation is successful and that the findings are accurate and reliable. In conclusion, working on a microbial case study investigation requires careful planning, data collection and analysis, and effective communication of findings. By following these tips, you can effectively investigate microbial case studies and gain valuable insights into the behavior and characteristics of microorganisms.